Alright, let's talk about YouTube automation. How you can build a YouTube channel that basically runs itself, even if you never show your face. First, what is YouTube automation? It's when you set up a system where most of the work, scripting, voiceovers, editing, uploading, can be handled by other people or with tools. You focus on the strategy and let the process take care of the rest. Step 1. Pick your niche. This is huge. You want something evergreen? Tech reviews, top 10 lists, life hacks. These kinds of videos get consistent views over time. Make sure there's demand, but also that you're interested enough to keep going. Step 2. Research content ideas. I always start with what's already working. Use tools like TubeBuddy VidIQ to see what's trending. Look for videos with high views but low competition. Jot down ideas, start building your content calendar. Step 3. Script your videos. You don't have to do this yourself. Freelancers on Fiverr, Upwork, or use AI tools to draft scripts faster. Make sure the script is engaging, keep it punchy, get straight to the point. Step 4. Voiceovers. You don't need to use your own voice. Hire professional voiceover artists online or use AI voice tools. The key is clear, natural-sounding audio. Step 5. Video creation. For faceless channels, use stock footage animation slideshows. Tools like Canva and Video iMovie can help assemble everything. If editing isn't your thing, hire a video editor. Step 6. Thumbnails and titles. Don't skip this. A killer thumbnail and a catchy title get people to click. Use bold text, high-contrast images, keep it simple. Hire freelancers for thumbnails or use Canva templates to start fast. Finally, upload and optimize. Fill out your video descriptions, add relevant tags, use playlists to keep viewers watching. Consistency is key. Try to upload at least once a week, and that's it. With a solid system and a little upfront work, you can build a channel that runs itself. For more tips on automation growing online, hit subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching.